Hi! Today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me because I'm going on a date. I'm going on a date with my husband tonight and I am so excited because it has been a hot minute since we got some alone time together. My dear sweet friend Marie is coming over today with her entire family to watch my kiddo so that me and Zach can go on a date. I'm very excited. We're going to a restaurant that has some of the best sounding food and I am so excited. I want to do my makeup like so good. So we're gonna do that today. I just did a tutorial on this hair. It has been a few hours actually. I probably filmed that like 4 hours ago. This is a perfect testament to how this hair holds up. It's just like even better throughout the day. So if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I got this hairstyle, I'm gonna have it linked. Unless it's not up yet, then I will subscribe and you will see it when it comes up. But it's super easy, super effortless, super cute, just 10 of 10. So instead of hyping myself up yet again, I'm gonna do my makeup and I am going to just get ready. That's all this video is just fully getting ready for a date. I'm very excited. The cool thing about having bangs is you really don't have to care about your forehead or brows all that much. I'm gonna do a little bit in the front, but like, we don't have to stress about brows. Not that I stress about my eyebrows, but. So this is the Pure 4-in-1 Love Yourselfie Foundation. I believe I saw Makeup by Mario come out with a bronzer that has this similar top, which is, if you haven't seen the Pure, it has a doe foot applicator in here, but it also is a pump. So the doe foot has like a little hole in the center and then you can also pump it out. And people are like, Mario, you're so innovative. And it's like, Pure's been doing it for years. So Mario's innovative. But Pure did it first. So that is the shade MN4. It's a little too warm for me. I'm just gonna kind of cool it down with some of this, which is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie concealer, and this is in the shade 20NN. Near this restaurant we're going to, the food sounds so good. Everything's local. They use all local produce. So like they source from farmers. So everything on their menu changes weekly according to what's in season. Oh my God, it all just sounds so good. And this place that we're going to is like on the water. I made reservations and they do like local seafood and it just sounds so good. I cannot wait. So we actually don't have childcare anymore and it's not for the fault of my friend Kat, who's coming over and has been watching our kiddo 1 to 2 days a week for the last 2 years. We have recently just realized it wasn't really working out anymore because he just kind of wants to be with us. He's aware now. He's 3.5. I don't know, he's just more independent. We can get work done while he's just hanging out with us. It doesn't make sense to have my friend drive like 2 hours, you know, to come watch him. Oh my gosh, my skin just looks so good right now. But because of that, we haven't had childcare in like, I don't know, 3-4 weeks. And we're getting just less and less time together. And him and I have realized we need it. We need each other. So that's why my friend is coming over tonight to watch our kiddo. And it's fun because she has 4 kids. And so she's bringing her 4 kids. And so it's just like this big play date and it's just gonna be so much fun. Anyway, I just feel like dates are so necessary. It's so crazy to me though that like some relationships and partners and marriages, they do like once weekly date nights. And I remember before we had our son, people would be like, prioritize date nights. And I was like, yeah, I want to do an every week. I think it was like July of last year. No, the last date night we had was my birthday. Zach's birthday, so February. It's May, but before that it was my birthday, which was December. So like we're doing once every 2 months, not once a week. So no, we're doing once every like, yeah. Anyway, it's gonna be great to spend some quality time together. And that's the base. I'm gonna use Makeup by Mario. This is brown black. And like I said, you don't have to do too much to the brows because they're just gonna get covered by the bangs. But you know, I feel like this product gets not that great of reviews. I was looking on Sephora and people don't really love it. And I absolutely love it. This is the Makeup by Mario Master Blade Brow Pencil in brown black. And I feel like I haven't used anything else in the last, I don't know, 2 years. I've used a couple of things here and there, but it's just a good product. I really like it. I love the colors. It's super fast. Like I'm already done with my right brow. I don't know. I like it. Okay, this is a new product that I just opened up in like a PR package video. I don't know if you guys, if that's up first, I think it should be. But this is the, oh, ew. You can see I put it on my hand and it like, it's super oily. Maybe there's a way to shake it or I'm gonna stir it in. This is the Smashbox Halo Sheer to Stay Color Tint Lip and Cheek. So it's like a blush / lip tint. Let me try it on the lips. Oh, very oily, very soft, very odd. Well, this is what the color looks like on the back of my hand. It doesn't, it's called Wisteria. It's really not what I was picturing. I was picturing a wisteria looking kind of like, I don't know, like a softer purpley pink. But I guess on the face it sort of does. This is the Wet n Wild P77 brush. Okay, it's a nice like wash of color. It's not too much. It does look like it was gonna be a lot, but then it really shears out like a lot. I don't know that I prefer that to a regular blush. This is kind of more the vibe I was going for. This sort of like pink, soft, pretty. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that looks like it's gonna be nice. We'll see, this is the Pixie On the Glow blush, and this is in the shade Fleur. So let's give this a go. Ooh. Okay, that's pretty. I'm gonna obviously like blend that in. Just moving my bangs to the side for now. Ooh, that is really pretty. Cute, I like that. So I am gonna take like a little powder puff and a little bit of powder, and I just wanna set my under eyes and like a little bit on my cheeks so it's not so shiny and dewy. This is the one size powder, just in the regular translucent color though. I'm gonna do a video on the others very soon, and I'm gonna powder my forehead really good because like I said, bangs can get a little greasy throughout the night and greasy and piecey. And if you have a really powdery forehead, that can really help. Okay, so now we're gonna add the glow back in with this. Is the Glow On the Glow Super Glow Natural Luster from Pixie. That's what it's gonna look like. That's pretty. You would think it would like kind of pull up the product underneath, but it really doesn't seem to be. I feel like that looks pretty. I think for today's look, we're going in with a tried and true, going in with At Forest Sight. If you don't know, which you probably do because I harp on and on about it for the last 3 years, get over it, Kristi. God, move on. This is my palette. Look at it. Did you believe me? Colourpop, RawBeautyKristi, At Forest Sight. It's just so beautiful, and I'm gonna use it on camera. I'm gonna go in with my favorite shade, Puffball. Puffball is just universally so good. I feel like it's just a beautiful, beautiful shade. Can you guys hear the rain and the birds? My window is open behind me to let some fresh air in, and it's just so lovely to hear them. A wash of that, and then I'm gonna kind of actually just take a larger brush and sort of diffuse that out even more. And then I think I'm gonna take a brown liner. It is dumping outside. It's dumping rain, which I'm actually kind of excited about because that means I don't have to water my garden. And watering takes like 3.5 hours here right now because of how much we have to water. Let's try this. This is called the Smashbox Self-Sharpening Liner in Raven. I don't want to use black liner though. Screw it. But if you're always sharp, how do I twist you up? All right. Okay, so I am going to just do that, and then I'm gonna take a brush and really smoke that out with some darker shades from my palette. So I think I'm gonna go in with Homegrown. Also gonna take that under here. I haven't done any really grungy eye looks yet with this hair, and I feel like it's just begging for one. That is cool. It really does self-sharpen. I haven't been doing dark eye looks in a while. I haven't been doing like anything super grungy, smoky, anything like that. It's been a while since I have. And I just, you know, what better night than date night? It's funny, the one night we go out for a date though, it starts raining. It's been literally beautiful for weeks. That looks pretty grungy and good. Okay, now I need a pair of really good lashes. Ooh, these look fun. Melt Cosmetics Moxie. I'm gonna toss these lashes on real quick and I'll be right back to finish off this date night look. I was just vibing and watching TikToks and I totally forgot I was filming. Okay, so now I'm throwing some mascara on. These are the, I believe, Moxie lashes, I think I said, from Melt. I think I just heard my childcare or my BFF pull in. So I should probably get going here in just a second, but I'm pretty much done anyway. Although I will say that I had a lot of fallout from the shadows onto my cheeks. So I was packing. All right, lips. Let's see what we're gonna do for lips. No. This is a Lunar Beauty Flora, little pink. I feel like I need a brown color versus this pink. Tried and true Mocha-licious. Okay, now Flora. And this is the finished look. I love it. I feel pretty. I feel grungy. And like, I just love this eye look with this hair. It feels like it's totally a vibe. I'm just gonna wear overalls to dinner tonight. It is kind of a fancy restaurant, but nobody cares what I wear. And every time I've ever dressed up, I feel overdressed. So we're wearing overalls in this green shirt. I think I got this from ThredUp actually. I did, I got this from ThredUp. Love it. It's such a cute like little mock neck turtleneck. It doesn't go up too high. It's just literally perfect. I love high necks like this. I feel so cute. And I look so cute. Do you guys love it? I love this hair so much. Does anyone else have that freaking TikTok song stuck in their head? All fancy pants, Rich McGee over here, fuck you. I have that stuck in my head. I've had it stuck in my head all day. That's it for today's look. That's it for this makeup. I will show you up close. Gonna show you the vibes. RBK x Colourpop. Bring it back, Colourpop. Or do another collection with me, for God's sakes. I know I'm not who I used to be, but I'm still here and I'm still cool. The only thing this really needs, freckles. Freckles over here, freckles, freck. I can't find it, that's fine. I feel like it looks really nice. Love it so much. I can't wait to go out to dinner. It's almost 5. My friend should be here any minute. She's been stuck in traffic for like the last 2 hours. So I'm gonna have everything that I use linked down below. So if you guys wanna shop any of the products that I used, I'm gonna have everything linked down there. And I am loving it so much. I feel so pretty and I just feel like sexy. The annoying part is that because we're getting such a late start on the day, we can't really go shopping or anything in the little town that we're going to because everything's gonna be closed. Maybe we'll just go make out. We've been together for 20 years and we're gonna go make out. Can you guys believe? So it's May, June, July, August. In 3 months, we will have been together. I think this is 19 years and 14 years married. And then next year, August, will be 20 years together. Is that right? We met in 2005, yeah? Yep, can you believe it? Bananas, absolutely bananas. Love of my life, still, more than ever. All right, well, I thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you at my next video. Bye! I changed my mind, I'm not a cool ton bitch. If these bangs don't knock it off, heaven help me. What? A wash, oh, a recipe. That she heard me say, who the frick, not who the fuck. She said, pissed one time, but that was a long time ago. We can cut all that. That was stupid.